Hey there, fellow gun enthusiasts and safety-conscious viewers. Welcome to our channel, where we break down essential topics like how to check a serial number on a gun in 2025. Whether you're a new owner, buying or selling, or just wanting to verify your firearm's legitimacy, this guide will help you do it quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First things first, why does this matter? In 2025, with stricter regulations and digital tracking systems, knowing your gun's serial number can prevent legal issues, help recover stolen items, and ensure you're dealing with authentic firearms. A serial number is essentially a unique identifier, like a fingerprint for your gun, usually engraved on the frame, receiver, or barrel. Step 1. Prioritize safety. Always handle firearms unloaded, in a secure area, and wear protective gear if needed. Never rush this process, your safety comes first. Step 2. Locate the serial number. For handguns, it's often on the side of the frame or under the grip. On rifles or shotguns, check the receiver or barrel. If you're unsure, refer to your gun's manual or the manufacturer's website. Pro tip. Use a magnifying glass or a good light source to spot it clearly, as it might be small or worn. Step 3. Verify the serial number. In 2025, many countries have online databases like the ATF system in the US or equivalent global registries. Enter the number carefully, and cross-reference it with official records. You can also contact the manufacturer directly via their app or customer service for authentication. Remember, some guns might have multiple numbers, so double-check for any prefixes or suffixes. Now, a quick word on legal stuff. Laws vary by location, so ensure you're compliant with local regulations. In some places, checking serial numbers is mandatory for transfers, and tampering with one is a serious crime. Wrapping this up, checking a serial number is a simple yet vital skill for responsible gun ownership. It only takes a few minutes but can save you from big headaches down the line. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.